Hey, to download and install Remote Camera Shutter application on your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, all you have to do is just to go into the Google Play Store. Next, you will have to click on the search and then input the camera phrase. Okay, it's not that easy to actually type on this small keyboard, but camera, there we go. I can pick also from the recommendation. And now you will actually find a lot of different applications. So if you are using, for example, the Google phone, like in my case, you can just quickly get this Pixel camera. But if you have any other, you can try this additional apps like Camera One, the Wear Galaxy Watch, for example, the Camera Opus for Wear OS. As you can see, there's a lot of different apps, so you can try them. And all you have to do is just to simply click on the install button. Let's try, for example, this one. And now when the download will be finished, this application will be visible just right here. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.